Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep channel. My name is Pawan and I am the product manager here at Abhyaas for Clat. Today I am going to discuss with you about the Tamil Nadu Law University vacant seats notification. Each and every NLU is keeping their vacant seats notification after the fifth round in their own particular websites. So it is difficult for you to check each and every NLU website every day. So what we have done is we have curated entire NLU list into a single page in our website. You can directly go to this website and click on any NLU you want and open their vacant notification and also the admission application notification. So I will also paste the link in the description. You can click on that and directly go into the NLU you require. So now I am discussing about NLU Tiruchirappalli. So TNNLS Tiruchirappalli. So here if you want the notification, you will click on the hyperlink in red color which shows click here for notification. Now I am clicking on this. So the same notification is opened here, and now if you want to see how many number of seats are there, total number of vacant seats, that is how many are there, 20 are there in the Tiruchirappalli. Now we will see the breakup of categories, category wise breakup for the vacant seats there. Next, so if you can see here, click on the notification is open. Now applications are invited for admissions into BA LLB and also BCom LLB. Entire applications are to be filled in online only. Now they are accepting applications from the interested candidates after the fifth round is completed. Fifth provisional allotment list is released by the Clat. Now these are the current vacancies available for BA LLB and BCom LLB in the All India category, only wards of Kashmiri migrants, one seat is left. Tamil Nadu category, GSSQ general, that means all the government schools and the special school municipality schools etc. from Tamil Nadu government comes under GSSQ general. And next, vacancies in BCom LLB general SC OBC 434, and also Tamil Nadu category general 3 SC 1, GSSQ MBC and DNC 1, BCO, GSSQ BCO 1. Total 7 seats in Tamil Nadu category for BCom, 11 seats in Tamil Nadu category for BCom LLB. For BA LLB, 1 seat and 1 seat in Tamil Nadu and India category respectively. Check those breakup again from the notification. I will paste the notification links and also in the description. Next, the vacancies mentioned above in the respective categories are subject to variation again. These are not for fixed, they may change again. Another thing is the candidates who have appeared in Clat 2022 with a rank not less than the rank mentioned against the respective categories are only eligible to apply. That means you have to get more than this rank in order to apply, because these ranks are filled in the Clat 5th round. Next, here also you can see Tamil Nadu seats which are the ranks up to where it filled. GSSQ general, any rank in Clat can apply. Next, it is clarified that GSSQ quota means who have studied from 6th to 12th in government schools of Tamil Nadu only. Students may have studied in Tamil or English medium, which includes all government and other department schools and schools managed by government children. Also children belonging to weaker sections who have studied up to 8th standard in a specific category. And next, other things of the government as per their GO, it is given here. Please read this passage once if you belong to any of the categories. Next, candidates admitted under 7.5% seats on preferential basis from government students are exempted for payment. Only admitted under 7.5 seats. Okay, 7.5 seats preference wise they will give them free seat. Tamil Nadu government will pay the fees. If they are not, if for any reason if fees is not paid, then it is given that you have to remit the fees again in the future. You have to pay yourself. Next, application cost is rupees 500. First you have to pay the fee and then attach the transaction receipt in the Google form attached here. Application link, the application link is the Google form itself. You have to attach there the transaction receipt. So this is the application form link. That you can also do it from here. The same link will be opened. Okay. Next, minimum eligibility. In order to seek admission into UG programs, it is mandatory to have a pass in 10+2 and also not less than 45% for general category, 40% for SC/ST. Also, it should be mandatory to write Clat. Okay. And who was not able to pay the counseling fee for whatever reason and could not participate in Clat counseling process may also apply to TNNLU Tiruchirappalli against this notification. Next, mode of payment. You can do State Bank collect by using online link available at their website or through NEFT or RTGS to UCO Bank to the following account. Okay. Next, instructions. The candidates are required to take that for any vacancy which may arise in future, any of the categories in which zero vacancy is being notified now, TNNLU will not release any new admission notifications. Those who apply against this notification alone will be considered for such future vacancy as it may arise. Okay. Those who apply only for this notification will also be considered for any future notifications. They will give preference to only this notification applications. Candidate has to pay the full fees when they are selected under any of these categories on or before the last date of payment. They have to pay the full fees. Next, please note that all the documents which are required to be uploaded as per the notification without fail. Results have already been published by the respective school boards. Therefore, you have to apply all your memos and documents carefully. To submit the filled in application form from the Google link will be available between 23rd of July to 26th of July. Last date to fill online application form is 26th of July 5 p.m. What all you should keep ready? Proof of payment, passport size photograph, scorecard, 10th 12th class, transfer certificate, conduct certificate, all these documents. There are 17 documents maximum. If you are not having any reservation, those documents are not required. Next, after receiving all receipt of all applications, merit list and waiting list will be prepared based on the Clat rank only. The merit list will be published in the website of TNNLU on which date? 29th. When you have the last date, you have the last date on 26 by 5 p.m. The result is on 29th Friday. Shortlist candidates in phase 1 and phase 2 and other vacancy, if there is any in future, they all should make the payment only through online. Next, allotment of seats. Suppose there are vacancies in BA or BCom, preference will be given to those candidates who have been admitted through Clat process to TNNLU only in filling the vacancies. Preference is given to Clat process for filling the vacancies. Next, shortlisted candidates in the merit list are required to make payment of fees as per the annexure. There is a annexure given and mode of payment given. You can see here. And next, annexure given here, tuition fee for each and every category. So please go through the tuition fees annexure once again. So this is about the Tiruchirappalli NLU vacant seats notification. If there are any doubts, please feel free to comment on the video, and also I wish you all the best for your NLU hunt. Please like, share and subscribe and share it to other Clat aspirants out there, and also don't forget to like the video because each and every video on NLUs and other important notifications all will be coming through in this channel. So thank you.